client information at server side. Some special mechanism must be required. Which is nothing but session management. That's where the session management came. So how to manage this session management? There are two ways are there. One is cookies. Second one is session APIs. Session APIs are more advanced to the cookies. So how to maintain my client information to the server side? That mechanism is nothing but what it is, a session management concept. Sir, for example, in normal terminology, I will give a simple example for you. What is this session management? So now this month is, it is April, na? April. After that, May should be full summer season. Okay, maximum April. Now it started too hot. May, summer very hot is there. Okay, assume it is a summer season. It should be May middle. Now the time is afternoon 2:30. Now the time is afternoon 2:30 p.m. Once you completed your Django class 11 to 1:30, you went to your home and hostel. You have to complete a lunch and some work is there. Okay, it's very too hot. Generally after lunch 2:30 means everyone what will do? General 90% everyone start AC and sleep in the sleeping room. Don't tell studying. Okay, na? You never studied. Okay. Happily, we are sleeping in the AC. The first. Very good. Okay. Happily, you are sleeping, sir. Now the time is 2:45. You are in the deep sleep. You are in the deep sleep. Now, your door was, someone is knocking. Someone is ringing the bell. Summer season. Okay, that too very AC is there, lunch completed, deep sleep. You are getting some irritation, but keep on there ringing the bell. Suddenly open the door. One boy came. He is telling, good afternoon, sir. I came from washing powder Nirma representative. Who is the person? Washing powder Nirma representative came. I want to give some demo for you. Today offer is there, buy one Nirma powder packet, one free we will give, like that he is telling. I'm getting full irritation. Okay. Nonsense. Get out from here like that. I'm shouting and close the door. Again, go on sleep. Now the time is 3 to 3:10, 3:15 like that. Again, deep sleeping. Again, same situation happened. What happened? Door knocking. Someone is ringing the bell. Again, he came and open the door. Whenever you open the door, suddenly you got shocked. This time came to Sunny. Sunny came to your home with one mic and cameraman. With one mic and cameraman, she came to your home. You got shocked. Oh, is it really or is it any dreams? No. Really, Sunny came with cameraman and with one mic, she came to your home. Okay, madam, come please. What means? She is telling, sir, somewhere recently you were shopping there, you are getting some lucky dip. That is, what is the lucky dip means? Remember carefully. I will ask 3 questions for you. If you tell the correct answers, you will get prize money 10 lakhs. How much? 10 lakhs. Whatever she is telling, observe. Sir, recently you did some shopping in CMR, Kalaman or something. You got a lucky dip. In that dip, we will ask 3 questions, sir. If you tell the correct answer, you get the 10 lakhs cash money. Oh, okay, nice. Okay, you can come. Now she is asking, is it right time or not? Okay, no problem. Come, you can sit in the sofa. I will ready means you go to the room and you can fresh up, come to here. Now interview started. She is asking the first question. Who is our prime minister? Who is our prime minister? Like that, she is asking the first question. What is your answer? Mahesh Sara. Who is our prime minister means what is answer is there na? Nonsense. Why are asking this question? Like that, he is shouting. Now Shani was shocked. Because in the door, what she is telling, sir, you won the one lucky dip. Whenever I'm asking 3 questions, you can tell correct answers. I will give 10,000. But he is not remember anything. He is telling, why are asking nonsense, these type of questions, he is shouting. Sir, again, she is explaining again. What she is explaining, sir, you get the one lucky dip. Okay, I will ask 3 questions. If you get the correct answers, you get the prize money. Again, she is telling, okay, okay, carry on. Again, she is asking, who is our prime minister? What is his answer? Again, he is shouting, nonsense. Why are asking this type of questions? Means, first time she is given request. So here observe carefully. Here client is Sunny. Yourself, who are you? Yourself, server. Ante first, Sunny telling everything. Sir, you are getting lucky deep sounds. You are okay. Second one, what it is? Question. Question she is asking. Ante second request she is sending. You are not remembering Sunny words. First request. Again, you are asking, who are you? Why are you nonsense? This type of questions asking. Sir, a third time she is explaining again. Okay, you are listening. Fourth time she is asking again question. Again, you are not able to remember previous one. Previously, what she is telling, you don't know. So that's why one management is required between client Sunny and server you. That is the reason. So you are everything forgetting. Whatever she is telling previously, you are not able to understand. That's why what is required? Session management. Every time, whatever she is telling, you have to remember. That is the main important concept of this one. Sir, now, do you know there is some online exams are there? Whenever you can go to any online exams, competitive exam, something. Sir, what is the process there in online exam? Multiple choice. Sir, first question will be displayed. One ABCD options are there. Okay, you click on B. Second question will come. You click on C. Third question will come. Result will come when all the 40 questions completed, result will come. Ante examination started after 40 minutes. What is your first question answer? Second question answer, third question answer, fourth question, whether it is correct or wrong. Server will maintain information or not. If it is not maintaining any information, you get 1 mark because it is remembering the last question. You will get 1 mark or 0 mark. If it is correct, 1 mark, otherwise 0 mark. So in online exam also, server should maintain some session management. That 40 minutes session should be maintaining in the server side. Then only whenever submitting last 40th question, you will get the marks. Okay, you got 35 marks, congrats. Or you got 30 marks, 20 marks. But how it is maintained? This total session can be managed by my server. So how to maintain this management? 2 are there. Cookies and session APIs are. First concept, session management by using cookies. First concept. Sir, what is a cookie? General. Permission. I asking general layman terminology. Regular usage lo what is cookies? These are cookies. Forwarded Amit already. Generally, gents know very well about these things. And cookies, stock photo, picture, royalty. Sir, cookie means only small pieces. Those are nothing but general meaning of the cookies. Sir, for example, I will give one more regular example for these cookies. Sir, do you know in villages generally there are some doctors are there? In Hyderabad means multi-speciality all are available there. You can take a small village. General in that terrace who are available there. RMP doctors are available there. RMP doctor means he is not a doctor. He is practicing on the patients. Always. So you can take a small village. There is one RMP doctor should be there. Johal Chapa. I know. Sir, you can take one RMP doctor example. Sir, RMP doctor means he is only one and only army. Okay, no one is there, no helper, no nurse, only one person will be there, one room is available there. He will collecting the money, he will clean his room, he will give the medicines also. In that village, no medical shop. He is maintaining 10 medicines, okay? Whenever you're coming to the hospital, if you're getting fever, first he will give 2 medicines, go and take. If it is not okay, come 4th day, he will change another tablet. Yes, that 50-50 chances it will recover or not recover. He will do experiment only every time. If it is okay, fine. Okay, like that he will do RMP doctor. Sir, one patient came to the RMP doctor. Some normal fever only. He is telling, sir, I am getting fever some 2 days onwards. So that's why he came to the hospital. Okay. Now RMP doctor is asking. What he is asking means name, age, compulsory they are asking. Okay. Based on that, he will create some slip. In that slip, he will mention the name, age, disease, fever. So when he was came, some tablets are given. This chit will be given to this person or not? Yes, sir. Given 3 days, you can use these medicines. After 3 days, still if you are not recover, you can come. I will change it. Done. After 3 days, a patient was still suffering from fever. Again, he came to the doctor, same RMP doctor. What is the first question of the doctor? How are you now? First, he is asking, are you, this is the first time visiting or previously are you visiting? He is asking, sir, no, sir, this is the first time. It's okay. Then he is asking details. No, sir, already 3 days back came means, where is the chit? Because previously given on chit, because daily he is taking the 10-15 patients, he is not able to remember. Once you give the chit, by checking that, he can understand. Now immediately he is asking, in that day 3 days back, I will give one chit, na give that chit. Sorry sir, I'm forgetting, it is not taken. No, sorry, you can bring that one, then only I can recognize, because previously what tablets I'm given, I can understand or not. That is the reason. Observe. Sir, first time a request came. First request time, is there any cookies are there? Nothing. Patient came. Who will preparing the cookies? Sir, you can observe. The person is the client. The server is the doctor. The server is the doctor. Who is preparing cookie? Server. Yes, and a doctor. And a doctor will you response to the patient. Okay. Response plus what is given you? One cookie, one chitty is given. Tomorrow, whenever you're coming, come with that. Okay. Now patient come to the hospital. He wants to give request plus what he will give. That cookie will be sent to the server. Then server recognize, already he came previously. I am given so-and-so tablet. Okay, fine. Now this is time, second request. What I want to give? Response plus what I want to give? Second cookie. And the second chitty is given. Now, client is having how many cookies? 2 cookies are there. Sir, for example, who is the responsible to maintain the cookies? Client or server? Client only. Suppose you are the client, you are the patient, I am the doctor. Whenever I'm giving chitti, it was gone. It's not my responsibility. Client only responsible to maintain these cookies carefully. Whenever you can come to the hospital, compulsory you have to show that chit, then doctor will understand. It is a normal, general RMP doctor, how we are using, same concept applied to the client and server. Suppose tomorrow, some another patient came, he is Ravi. Suppose another patient came, he is Suresh. So whenever he is getting request first time, no chit. Server will prepare one chit with the name, age and everything. At the time of giving response, he will be added one cookie or not? Compulsory. So based on their chit, he can recognize. That is also one type of example, sir. Doctor and patient example. So whenever client is given request first time, there is no cookies. Whenever server sending response, the cookie will be inserted. So now, cookies is a very small amount of information created by who is created? Server only compulsory. And who is maintained? Client is the responsible to maintain, server is not at all responsible. How it is means cookies are maintained by key value pairs. Sir, key value means compulsory it should be a dictionary format within the, okay, done. Sir, now how to add the cookie? To add cookies to the response, because server will you response or not? Sir, every time whenever you can writing views function, we are written on last line in the views. What is the last line? Return, render, request, page I'm sending, that is I'm sending. So at the time of sending a response, you can add your cookie. Then client will take care about those cookies. So response, whatever response you are sending, response dot set underscore cookie. You have to give cookie name, comma, cookie value. Then in the dictionary format cookies, it will be stored everything. So previously we are directly we are returning the response. Don't return, store into variable. That variable dot set cookie name and value. After that, to get the cookies sent by the client. How to get that? Request. Sir, who will send the request? Client only. Whenever sending the request, I am asking cookie is there or not, I am checking. If it is not there, first request. If it is there, I will add the new cookies. Request dot, the dictionary name is, what it is? Cookies. Sir, from the dictionary, how to get the name? By using cookie name or not? Dictionary 4-5 values are their key value pairs. Dict of key means I am getting it. Another way is there. From the dictionary, how to read the values? There is one method is there. What is the method? Get. Sir, first dan ki second dan ki, what is the difference? First ki second ki. 18, 19. Line number 18, line number 19. Cookies is the dictionary. Direct I'm given dictionary of key. I'm getting the value. Dictionary dot get of cookie name. Any difference is there between these two? I'm reading. Request is sent by the client. Cookies is the dictionary. Dictionary of key I'm given. I'm getting the value or not? My dictionary dot get command. What is the use of the getter command in dictionaries? Observe. Go to ideally. I am opening 1 minute. Ideally. Yes, observe. Sir, D equal to, okay, dictionary. 101 colon Sunny. Okay. 102 colon Bunny. 103 colon Winnie. Is it a dictionary or not? Yes. Okay. Type of D. Jatak observation D. D of 101. What is the meaning? D of 101. Sunny. D dot get of 101. No. Sunny only output. That is the meaning of get command. But what is the speciality of the get? That one, this one, both are same or not? But what is the getter method speciality of the dictionary means? Observe carefully. Sir, I'm asking D of 105. 105 is available, not available? Not available. What is the output? You getting which error? Value error. Key error. Because based on key I'm accessing key error. Mari ippudu D dot get of 105. Now what you are getting? Blank. Anyone? Blank. It will return. The value is none. None will return, not blank. None where blank. None ante something value is there. Blank ante ఇంక ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది చూసావా? దట్ ఈస్ బ్లాంక్. ఓకే, కంగారు పడకు చూపిస్తాను. d dot get of 105 means the function return value is what it is. None will return. సార్ ఇప్పుడు బ్లాంక్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ ఎక్స్ బ్లాంక్ అని అంటే దాని అర్థం ఏంటి? ఇట్స్ నాట్ యాక్సెప్టెడ్. ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ నన్ అంటే ఎక్స్ వేరియబుల్ ఇస్ దట్ ద వాల్యూ నన్. టుమారో ఐ కెన్ స్టోర్ ద వాల్యూ. దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్. ఓన్లీ బ్లాంక్ యూ కెన్ అసైన్ ఎక్స్. ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్? యూ విల్ గెట్ ఎర్రర్. మరి ఇప్పుడు చూడండి సరే, what is the meaning of this one? Print of d dot get of 105 comma pinny. What is the meaning? 105 pinny print అయింది అంటే 105 added to the dictionary or not? Added. మరి what is the output I will get? None. Sir, get command main speciality is if the specified key, check it here only. If the specified key is there, value. If the specified key is not there, it will return none. No, sir, I want to give some default value. Then the return value is pinny. What it is written? And if the specified key not there, okay, you can send this value. As pinny na, chinny na, 5 or 10 na, my required value I want to pass. That is the meaning of get. Sir, if you print the D, 105 record is available, not available. So is it added or not added? Check it, it does not added. Only it is returning only, not added. Set to default will be added. Get never added. So that is the meaning of the get. Careful. Okay, without get command, if you are given, you will get the key error. If the key is there, the value. If the key is not there, the value is none. No, sir, without none, I want to give my own value. Then you want to give get of your default value. Same concept here also, check it. First year taking C name, cookie name. If already available, I am getting. Otherwise, you get key error. Second situation, cookie get name. If key is there, value. Otherwise, none. I don't want none. I want to return my own value. Then what to do? Get C name, comma, what I want to give? Default value I will return by server. Some value it will return. Because first time we are getting request. Dictionary is empty. No value. But what to do? I want to return my own value. I want to add my some cookie number. That is the meaning of getter method in the dictionary, sir. Idemo direct key accessing. This one get of key. If not there, none. Here also if not there, don't return none, give this value. But it won't affect it to your dictionary. This is the example for that. Okay. Return, just return value enough, not added. So that is happened. Now, I will give a small example. Then you will get much clarity. Sir, actually session management notes not there. I will copy paste it. 1 minute. This PC, D drive, D Django. In that time, I missed the notes of session management. First, session management, client server. Okay, okay, cookie, session API, session management, RMP doctor example. Okay, now, sir, now my project is page count application. Page count means how many times I'm getting request from the client. How many times I'm getting request from the client, that I want to count and send it to the client, sir. Okay. Observe. Go to the CMD prompt. CMD. What screen is visible? Yeah, okay, CMD. D drive. CD. Our projects are 17th March 11 a.m. Inside Django admin start project. What is the project name? Page count projects are done. CD page count project done. PY manage.py start app. What is the app? Test app. Done 3 steps. Copy, paste into project. Here. There all the 3 steps are there. Save. Sir, after this, what I was doing is, sir, next what to do? Project is ready. Open Atom. Atom is ready. 17th March. AGMNOP. You want page count project, sir? Open, sir. First, what is the activity? Settings. Here, test app completed. Okay. Next, what to do? Angel next. In the model, I'm not storing any data. Is it any data is related? No. Admin yesterday. Sir, first of all, what I was doing is observe. I want to do py manage.py make migrations. Can I do it? Why? Make migrations. Is there any model is there? Is there any model is there? No. If model is there, then make migrations. Then the model class converted to SQL query. After that, I can execute migrate is the command. But I'm doing migrations. Observe what is happening. No. Required compulsory. Observe. What is the reason? I will tell. Sir, what happened? No changes. Yes, because of there is no model class. Okay. Still, I am doing migrate. What I'm doing? Migrate. Whenever you click on migrate, what is happening? You can check it. Then you will get clarity. Something tables created, not created. System related tables. Because the reason is, but up now I'm telling, I'm creating cookie. I send to the client. I'm getting where it will stored. Some table is required, not required. System related tables. Here my own tables are not there. Check it in the starting. All migration applied. What it is? Admin tarvata. Next sessions related one table is required, must and should. Then only your data will be stored. If you are not doing make migrations, migrate, when you can set the cookie where it will store. Some model is required, not required. So system related tables compulsory required. That is the reason I'm doing what I'm doing, make migrations and migrate compulsory. So without doing these two, don't write session management program. Then there is internal, there is no session tables. Then nothing will be happened. Okay. So this is the follow. First project, sir. Next app. After that, make migrations. After that, migrate, sir. Now we have to write a function. Views. Test app. Views.py. First, def. My view is page count underscore view, sir. What I'm getting? A request. Now, sir, first time, client is send request to the server. First time. Client does not contain any cookie. Okay. I am asking, is there any cookies are there not? I'm asking, how do you migrate without model? Ganesh, what I'm telling, I'm not creating my own table, system related tables, admin tables, authentication, content types, session management, not my tables. That way it is getting no changes detected. Applying all migrations for system related tables. If my model is there, my model table will be created. I'm not creating my models. Already system related, some tables required, session management. Now concept is session related. Those tables created. Okay. Internally settings, databases, connectivities are there. See here in the settings, sir, at the time of apps, what it is there? Well, not available. Internally, some built-in databases, tables, everything is there. Those related classes I'm migrating. Okay. Sir, ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనం views. Sir, okay, view. Sir, now observe. First, server is asking to the cookie. Do you have any cookies or not? Sir, what is the command? Requested cookies. Okay. So first I'm asking request dot cookies dot get. Okay, done. Come to here. Request dot cookies dot, what is the command? Get command. Take a variable of count. I am given as a 0. What is the meaning of 0, sir? First time client is getting request, cookies is empty dictionary. Count is a my variable. I am asking count. Sir, empty dictionary, so count is there? No. What is the written value? 0. Make it as a variable. What it is? Count. Convert into integer because every value will be stored in the form of string. I'm converting stored into count. Sir, whenever count is 0, what I was doing is count equals to, what to do? Count plus 1. Now what is happened? First time request came. There is no cookie. I'm creating count 1. I will send this response to the client. Client will keep on that cookie. At the time of second request, it will send the cookie. Now count is available there. What is the count? 1 is there. Second time I will add it to 2, 3, 4. First to listen the code. The time of execution you will get clarity. Okay, count equal to count plus. Sir, I want to send the page. What is the command? Return, render. Next. What it is? First request, comma. I want to send app, test app slash counter dot html. I want to send this content angel. You have dictionary or not? Yes, dictionary. Count, colon. I'm sending a count. This is your returning, but don't return. Don't return. What to do? Stored into variable. Is it response you want to send to client or not? Yes. Along with this, now observe this response dot, what is the command? Set underscore cookie. What I want to set? Cookie name, count, comma, cookie value. What is the cookie value? Count your send. Return this response. Return this response. Sir, previously every program just I am written this page only, but before returning, I'm stored into variable. What is the command? Set cookie. What is the value? Cookie name. This is the cookie value. Previously, I'm given a syntax. See, response, set cookie. Cookie name, cookie value. Is there any value there or not by using get command? First time, there is no value. So my default written value, how much I'm returning? 0. 0 plus 1. 1 will be sent or not? It's forwarded. Now, this is the view. Copy this, okay? Set page. Set page. What is the set page? This time written a function here. Yeah, HTML page only. Sir, now chunde. Now what I was doing is, I am returning one HTML page. Inside I am setting the cookie. Okay. Now what is required? Counter.html page. Now story should be same. Go to the project folder, right click, folder. What I want required? Templates. Inside templates, folder. What it is? Test app. Sir, inside test app, a file HTML. What is file name? Counter.html. This file I want to return. Yes, sir. In this HTML code. Inside body, simple. I am writing only one. Count. The page count. Sir, one variable I am passing now. What is the variable? Count. I am passing from the count only. Yes. So now here observe carefully this code. Sir, first when I'm asking this, create one URL. Observe urls.py. Yes. From test app, what to do? Import views. Sir, now create the URL. The URL is I'm given as a page. Views dot. What is our view name? Page underscore count view. Sir, check it carefully. Sir, first time I am sending one request. I am sending one request. Start the server. Py manage.py. Observe the flow carefully. This is the server. Copy. Paste it. Sir, first time sending first request. Whenever sending first request, it will goes to where? View. Go to the view. Sir, whenever view is coming, I am asking request.cookies.get count. Asal empty dictionary first time. No value. What is the default value? 0. Observe 0. Count plus 1. Ante 1 will be added. I am sending the response. How I am sending? By attaching the cookie. Ante I will give first cookie to this one or not. Now I am sending one request, one response to the what it is client with count number 1. Observe carefully now. Just click on what it is page. Template. Yes, we are not doing settings here. Template underscore dir equal to base dir slash templates. Copy this. Paste here. Now done. Come to here. Refresh. How much can page count to? 1 because the first request I forwarded. Where it is? Page count. For example, sir, already here, do you know this tag? What it is? Span. Span means inline element. Yes or no? Yes. Span. Inside title. I want to go with some style. Ante not applying total page. Only one inline element I can provide it there. What is the tag name? Span. Inside span, I want to give some font size. I will give until only that number. 150 pixel. After that, font weight 600. I want to give color. I want to give red. Ante, sir, within the page, only specific element I can apply. That is applied here. Now check it here. Sir, now whenever I am refreshing, what will happen, sir? And am I sending second request or not? Whenever second request is going, get already what is the values available? 1 is there. Now I am adding one more. So I am sending another cookie. Now what is the request? 2 will be there. Sir, if I close this, observe. Yes, the server restarted again. Now I want to take browser. Sorry. Server address. What is the URL? Page. Sir, what is the count? 3. Because which browser I'm using? Chrome browser. I'm getting the 3. Sir, why it is not applying colors? కాదు colon. Static ఎందుకు? If it is separate CSS file, then page count ఎంత? 4. Now 5, 6, 7. When a request getting came or not? So every time it is recognizing. So I am asking every time get cookies. Already cookies is there or not? Sir, if you want, observe carefully. Print cookies from the client. Request dot cookies. Now check it. Sir, I opened the browser. Which browser it is? Firefox. Sir, Firefox means, is it a new browser or not? Sir, browser is nothing but a new client. If I am given this page, what will happen, sir? It is getting 1 because browser changes. New client request came. Just I'm telling a doctor new patient came. He is not a old patient. So first chit is given. Now go to console. Here observe, check it carefully. Sir, ikkada em vachindi chudandi output. Idigondi CSRF token came. Now what it is? Any cookies are there? No, because it's a first request or not. That's why no cookies information founded. Now idigondi next. Come to Firefox. 1 is there. Submit. 2, 3, 4. Check in the console. Is going to cookies information from the client. Is anta count? 1. Next 2. Next 3. Cookies information am I getting or not? Yes. Sir, go to the Chrome. What is the previous? 17. Now click it. It is continuing. If you go to Edge browser is there. Search on. I have one more browser is there, Edge. I opened in the Edge. Sir, it is the first time. What is the count? First. If you refresh it, count came. So every browser it can recognize as. If I go to Firefox, from 4 onwards it will be continued. This is the way how we need to set the cookies to the client by using a server. So first ikkada after migration views.py. In views.py, sir, this is the code. Sir, everyone getting this code? How it is working? Copy, paste. After views, counter.html. Because what I want to send response along with cookie I forwarded. Counter.html. Copy. Send it. Next. No benefits. That's why I will tell limitations of cookies. I will tell Amit Kaiku Kangar. Okay. Because the problem is cookie can maintain only small size of information only. Server not at all responsible to maintain the client information. Problems are there. I will tell how to overcome also. I will show. Next to urls.py. Sir, ikkada your understandable purpose. Why how get command is working means, see, simple short example I will give, then you will get clarity how get is working. Suppose a dictionary is there, 101 is there, sir. A name is there, Sunny. Okay. Yes. Sir, d dot get of 101. Sir, what is the output you will get? Sunny. If I'm asking d dot get of 102, your output is you are getting as a none. D dot get of 102 comma. If I'm given as a 0, if I'm given as a bunny, then your output should be what it is. Bunny, you will get. That is the get command because I'm using get count. If it is their value, otherwise default value. Sir, counter.html, okay. Finally, URLs. One URL is there. Now that is the story of the basic example of cookies. Browser close చేస్తా చూడు. I kill the browser. Close. Firefox. మొత్తం సెషన్ పోద్ది, మొత్తం పోయినట్లే. క్లోజ్. ఇంకోటి ఎక్కడ ఉంది? క్లోజ్. నౌ ఐ ఓపెన్ ద బ్రౌజర్. ఓకే, సర్వర్ రన్నింగ్ లో ఉందా, పోయిందా? నౌ copy address, go to here, page. Again, it should be started 1. So once you close browser, it will go on everything. ఎప్పుడు? Still browser is there na? Browser is there. You need to save అవుతుంది. Because client is sending request kada, server no, you can stop server, close server, again restart server. Request sent by who is sending? Client. Server is not at all responsible to maintain cookies. Client side is there. Whenever it is sending request, I am checking. That's where you have to close browser. It should become from the 0 because my browser is closing, means session will be ending. Data will be gone. Now you can check it one day. I stopped the server. Server stopped or not? Yes. I restarted. Now, whenever sending request, server is what it is asking, get cookies. Already cookies is there or not? Yes. It will continue there only, not from 0. Once you, sir, if you go to same copy, new tab. Again, new session, continue. What is the previous number? 15 kada. Ippudu you will get what it is? 16. You will from there only, not 0. Close the browser, then it will become 0. Session will be ending. So our client is sending the first request. Now, what information required for future purpose? Server will decide with that information. Server will create a cookie and it should be hand over to the client. So server is always responsible to prepare the cookies and hand over to the client. Then response will be sent to the client. So in views.py, that is only happening. Sir, first I'm asking cookies. If it is available, I'm reading the data. I'm stored into response. I set the cookie and send it to that response. Previously, this is not there. Directly we are return render of page. Now, before sending, I'm adding cookie and set that response. Server will add cookie to the response. Then automatically cookies will be reach to the client. Sir, cookies depends upon per server and per browser. And use ఇప్పుడు చెప్పిందండి స్టోరీ నీకు ఆర్ఎంపీ డాక్టర్ ఇవన్నీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. One client came. Is it new request or old request? Every time server is getting new request only. So I want to maintain, I can recognize already you are the old client, old request. I want to remember some messages. That's why cookies can be created. And I am given to, suppose doctor example, I'm given a patient to doctor. Why doctor is giving chitti? Because tomorrow whenever you're coming, it can be recognized. Oh, already were my old patient. So whenever client is sending request, is it new request or not? First, whatever I'm telling you, HTTP request, the main problem is which type of protocol it is. A stateless means every request it will be treated as a new request. Old information is not available there. That is the reason server is creating the cookies send it to the client. Whenever client sending any new second request, along with that it will be sending. So cookies per object will be created, not server. Now previously 3 browsers I opened. Every browser sending request, cookies created forwarded or not? Cookies depends upon based on browser. But in that cookie, some problems are there, limitations are there. Cookie will maintain only small information of amount. Anything you can you name. Now I will give a name also. Anything, whatever you want, you can give. Suppose you were entering previously, sir. Previously, I'm telling online exam. In online exam, what I'm given first request, my name, my hall ticket number, my mobile, my mail ID, my address, information I'm given or not. It is storing. Once the session completed, hello Mahesh, your marks so and so, your scorecard forward to your mail ID. But how it is recognized? Any information you can go. Here I'm telling just a page count. Next example name. Another example, another 7-8 examples I will show. Anything you can forward. Set the cookie name value pairs. All will be stored in the cookies dictionary. Then read it one by one. Yes, if browser closes, cookies will be gone. That is the reason the problems, whatever is there to overcome that. What is the second concept? Session API. Now server will maintain everything. Server will maintain anything because if you go to multi-specialty hospital, then suppose your file is missing, sir. You have one patient ID. Enter that patient ID. Total details getting, not getting. Server side, they are maintaining information, not client side. So whatever problems are there, in the cookies, different types are there. Persistent cookies and permanent cookies are there. Every time we need to go to the history and we are deleting now. Those are permanent cookies. These are all the persistent cookies. When our browser closes, data will be gone. Sir, same next example is 12:15. Sir, from the same browser, from the Chrome only. Sir, I can send a request to the Facebook. I'm sending request to Facebook. And the Facebook server will create some cookies and forward to me or not? Yes. Same browser, I'm sending request to the Gmail or not? Yes. My Gmail server will give some cookies. Browser same only, but different servers I'm contacting. Then how we need to get it? That is also a simple example. A client is there, browser. Browser is fixed. What it is? Chrome. But two servers I am connecting. There. I am sending request. I am getting response. This Facebook will give different type of cookies. That information will be available. If I send request, is it different or not? Yes. So this is the different server. It will give response created some cookies. So both will be maintained where? Client side only, browser only. You can send the request, then that type of cookies it is getting. So this type of next small example I will explain. Yes, different doctors, different patients. Or else one patient will goes to the different doctors. Not different patient, different doctors. That is the normal example only. For example, this is the best one. Sir, one patient going to the doctor one. Doctor one. Okay. But no use. After that, he is contacting to some another doctor. Okay. Whenever he goes to this doctor, whatever he is given chit, I can take to that person only. If I go to this doctor, what is he given file, that file I need take and go to that one. So single patient, two doctors. Same doctor, different patients. And also different one patient, multiple doctors. Same doctor, different patients. No, no. Appudu different cookies am I sending or not? Here, patient maintaining cookies, doctor information. A single patient, multiple doctors. Sir, tomorrow I will tell that example. One beautiful, same sunny, different modes. Wow, move. The next example, what I want to implement is there. Tomorrow I will tell that is some big example. Sir, first, you have to take a small form. Form means you know already. Form class you can take. Don't store data. You can take a variable, what it is, name. Just now you are asking, na, sir, can I ask number and name? You can give a name as a something. Give a name as a Sunny. First time you can give request to the server. Server does not get any information. But whenever I'm given request, now server will recognize my name or not? Yes. After that, whenever I'm clicking on the submit button, you have to give some different page. What I want to display message means, hello, Sunny. But how it is recognized is, I'm sending one request. Okay, observe carefully. I'm sending request. It is given with response. Response plus one cookie will be added, sending response. Then my server will recognize his name or not? Recognizes. Fine. After that, here, give a small button. That button is click for today, date and time. Click for today, date and time button. Once clicking on this, am I sending request to server or not? Is it second request or not? Same person, second request. Mara, what it will do? It will recognize, hello, Sunny. Now the date and time is so and so. Ante, here first request send, sir, already. Once given response, server will give response plus cookie. Clicking on button means again request or not? Post request kaapothe this one. Starting get request. Okay. Sir, same person, same browser, getting what it is request to. Now, my server will display in another template page results. Here it should be recognized. Hello, Sunny. Today, date and time, so on so. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి తెలుసా? Have to create a button. Click update date and time. And after 5 minutes, I want to click that button. Updated time. Same result page I want to display name. How many times I am given? Every time. Asla where I am given name? In the first request I am given name. Second request I am clicking on button. In the third time result I am given. So this the flow I want to display in the next example. How the session management is working, how it is recognizes. Then we need to go to session management concept, sir. Go 7-8 examples I will tell, then you will get much clarity how it is working, how it is recognizing those things. Sir, in advanced template, how to use different CSS for child templates. These cookies caches are different. Yes, sir. Permanent cookies are stored in the cache memory. Vikas Singh. Temporary cookies are browser level. Once the browser is closed, it will be gone. No. Permanent cookies will be stored into the cache memory. In that, if you delete it, it will be gone. But present, once I close the browser, temporary cookies, these are all. On how to use it, take different CSS files, link it enough. We are not creating, we are creating only session APIs, and we need to store permanently. The caches are related to browser wise, not programmer. That is